I just want to go back to my room. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Rockstar or All-Star by Boywithuke. So make sure you have your ukuleles and make sure they're in tune. GCEA standard ukulele tuning, and this song is super easy. It only has 2 chords, so let's go ahead and get to the chords. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys are into art, I have my art channel linked in the description. And if you guys like video games and gaming and stuff like that, I'm going to be doing a Let's Play starting February 7th or 8th on the new Harry Potter game that comes out. So check that out. Back to the tutorial. All right, so like I said, there's only 2 chords in this song. One of them's easy, one of them's kind of tricky because it's a bar chord and it sounds pretty fancy, but it's actually not that hard once you practice it a little bit. But it is a B minor melodic 7. So it'll say B, small m, big M, 7. But basically, you can either bar this 4th fret or just put your finger on the top string of the 4th fret. Then you put your ring finger on the bottom string of the fret after that. Then you skip this one and you put your pinky on the 3rd string of the 7th fret. That's where the 2nd dot is. And then you put your ring finger on the 2nd string of that fret. So it looks kind of like that. Let me show you some different angles. But this is a B minor melodic 7. And then now to the easy chord, which is just an E minor, the staircase. But if you've never played E minor, pointer finger, bottom string 2nd fret, middle finger, 3rd string 3rd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 4th fret. So those are the only 2 chords in this song. Now let's get to the strumming patterns. All right, so there are 2 strumming patterns for this song. There's a bunch of different ways that he also plays this song, so you can kind of pick whatever strumming pattern you like the most. But what I saw him do from the lives was on the verses, he just did the 4-finger pluck, which is just grabbing all 4 strings and pulling them like that. And you would do that 8 times on each. So the B chord, you would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go to E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole verse section. And then for the chorus, he does a down, down, up, down, up. Which you can also add chucks or whatever you want to make it fancy, but just the basic down, down, up, down, up. So. And it's 4 times on each chord. So the B, 4 times. E minor 4 times. So if you're counting it, down, down, up, down, up is 1. So you just do that 4 times. Down, down, up, 1. Down, down, up, 2. Down, down, up, 3. Down, down, up, 4. And you can even do a little when you switch, just to kind of make it sound smoother. But basically, yeah, down, down, up, 4 times for the chorus, and then the 4-finger plucking for the verses. So this song is new and unreleased, so I don't really know the words that much, but we're gonna go ahead and try to just sing part of it. I wanna be an all-star, run 500 yards, rock star life, buying luxury cars. I want a Bentley, want a nice Porsche, want a whip with butterfly doors. Grammy and a billion views, enough money to afford nice shoes. Girlfriend and a golden goose and a golden tooth, man, what about you? I just want to go back to my room. I don't want the fame, I just want you. Well, I hope to help you guys learn how to play Rockstar by Boywithuke. Some of you may call this All-Star, but I'm pretty sure when he releases a single, it's going to be Rockstar. So, yeah. I hope this helped you guys learn how to play it, and I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. it's sweet.